What if I told you that one natural oil blend, costing less than $1, can repel every spider from your home, dramatically reduce dust accumulation, and make your house smell like a luxury spa simultaneously? What if this secret blend works for months, not days, and is completely safe for children, pets, and the environment, unlike toxic spider sprays? I discovered this formula after a spider infestation that terrified my family, and 3 months later, not a single spider and dramatically less dust. Stay with me, because this will transform your home, the spider problem that scared my family. Let me paint you a picture of my home 3 months ago. Spider webs in every corner. Large spiders appearing on walls at night, sending my family into panic. My daughter refusing to sleep in her room because she'd found a spider in her bed. My spouse screaming every few days upon discovering another unwanted 8-legged visitor. I was constantly doing spider removal duty, catching and releasing or eliminating spiders only to have more appear days later. The psychological stress of living in a spider-infested home was affecting our entire family's peace of mind. Why spiders hate eucalyptus? Here's the science that makes this work. Spiders smell with sensory organs on their legs. Eucalyptus oil contains powerful compounds, including cineol and terpenes, that are intensely overwhelming to spiders' sensory systems. When they encounter surfaces treated with eucalyptus, it's like walking through an environment that's unbearably hostile to their senses. They avoid it completely. It's not killing them. It's creating a natural barrier they refuse to cross. The dust reduction secret. But here's the bonus nobody talks about. This blend also repels dust. The tea tree and eucalyptus oils contain natural antistatic properties. When sprayed on surfaces, they create a microscopic coating that neutralizes static electricity. Static is what makes dust cling to surfaces. Without static attraction, dust particles don't adhere. They settle less and wipe away more easily. After using this blend in my home for 1 week, I noticed I was dusting significantly less frequently. My surfaces stayed cleaner longer. This was an unexpected bonus that made the formula even more valuable. The application method. Shake your spray bottle before each use as oil and water separate. Spray along all baseboards. This is where spiders travel and enter rooms. Spray around window frames and door frames, common entry points. Spray in corners of rooms, both floor level and ceiling level. Spray behind furniture and appliances where spiders hide. For dust repelling, lightly mist surfaces like shelves, TV stands, and windowsills. My family's transformation. The first application happened on a Sunday morning. I sprayed the complete perimeter of every room, all entry points, and all corners. That night, my daughter reported no spider in her room for the first time in weeks. She slept soundly. By the end of the first week, the constant spider sightings had completely stopped. By the end of the first month, the psychological stress in my home had evaporated. My family was no longer anxious about spiders. We weren't scanning walls nervously before sitting down or before bed. Why? This beats chemical solutions. Commercial spider sprays contain pyrethroids and other synthetic insecticides that are toxic to beneficial insects, potentially harmful to pets and children, and require careful handling. They work by killing spiders. This eucalyptus blend works by repelling them, creating a barrier they won't cross. No dead spiders to deal with. No toxic residue on surfaces. No chemical smell. Just an effective, pleasant-smelling, completely safe barrier that protects your home naturally. The cost reality. Eucalyptus oil, $13 for a bottle lasting months. Peppermint oil, $10. Tea tree oil, $12. Total initial investment, $35 for oils that last 6-12 months of regular use. Monthly cost, approximately $3. Commercial spider spray that needs reapplication every 2 weeks, $10 or more monthly. Annual savings, about $84 while achieving better, safer results. Here is the secret eucalyptus blend that repels spiders and reduces dust naturally. 20 drops eucalyptus, 10 drops peppermint, 10 drops tea tree, 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Spray all entry points and baseboards. If this just gave you the solution to spider invasions and dust problems, smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more natural home protections solutions. Share with anyone fighting spider invasions. Comment if you're making this blend today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, protect naturally, breathe clean air, and enjoy a spider-free home that smells like a spa.